Good morning. This is cause number 2020-35905 in the interest of Prince Ugochukwu Aliu. All parties in this matter, please raise your right hands and be sworn. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God. Mr. Smith,
Yes, I'm here. I'm sorry.
you solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
Yes.
All right. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Reginald Smith. I am the father of Legend Todd.
All right. And representing the state.
Good morning, Your Honor. Angela Jeffries for the Office of the Attorney General.
Court will note that the custodial parent, logistical Todd, uh, is not present. She was personally served on October 10th, 2020 at 1:33 p.m. She did not file an answer. Is that correct? Or made an appearance?
She has made an appearance, Your Honor, but she was given further notice in this case.
She made an appearance and signed a reset order, or what?
She signed a reset for a prior call for a prior date, Your Honor, but then we did give her further notice of today's date.
Okay, she previously appeared in court and then was given further notice of this Zoom hearing by certified mail return receipt requested, which was delivered at 10:52 a.m. June 4th, 2021, and she is not checked in. Is that correct?
That's correct, Your Honor. She is not.
All right, we'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Before I proceed, the order that I submitted to the court, there is a typo. It accidentally has Prince Aleo. The child on before the court is not. That's the incorrect name, Your Honor. The child's name on this is Legend Todd. I will correct that, Your Honor, before I submit it.
All right, we'll have to have a new order then.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay,
The
let's
state
have it.
calls. Mhm.
Go ahead.
First, Your Honor, I will into evidence what is marked as State Exhibit A. The DNA results in this case would show that Mr. Reginald Bryan Smith cannot be excluded as the father of this child.
You have any objection to that, Mr. Smith?
No, no, it doesn't.
Okay. Then the DNA test report will be admitted.
Thank you. The state calls Reginald Bryan Smith. Mr. Smith, you are the father of Legend Todd. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
Right. And you got a copy of that DNA result that showed that you could not be excluded as the father of this child. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
And the mother of this child is Jessica Todd. Is that correct?
That's correct.
And Legend Todd, to your knowledge, was conceived here in Texas. Is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
All right. And in line with the DNA results, are you asking this court to find that you are the father of this child, sir?
Correct.
And you have also agreed to pay any court costs associated with this case by September 6th of 2021. Is that correct, sir?
Correct.
Right. And as far as the other requests that we had in our petition, the surname change, the conservatorship, possession and access, child support, medical support, retroactive support, and the non-disclosure findings, do you understand that we are non-suiting those requests today, sir?
I understand. That's correct.
All right. And that we're only going to proceed in this case on a finding of parentage and the court costs in this case.
Okay, correct.
All right, and you signed this default order already, is that correct, sir?
That's correct.
Well, there's going to have to be a new one entered.
Yes, Your Honor, there will.
All right.
And I have nothing further for this witness.
All right. The court will approve the order that's been read into the record, and AG to submit the order for signature today. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you.
May we be
Excuse.
excused, sir? All right.
Yes.
Mr. Smith, can you please log back into the other Zoom? I need to make a correction to the order very quick.
Oh, I need to call down the number?
Yes, sir. Call back. Thank you.
Okay.
All right. Are you doing the Nelson matter, Ms. Mitchell?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. This is called number 2021-03034 in the interest of Ladell Deshawn Nelson. Please identify yourself for the record.
I'm Kira Mitchell, Assistant Attorney General for the state of Texas.
Court will note that the mother, custodial parent Shaquita Sharp, is not present today. She was personally served on March 19, 2021 at 3:10 p.m. at 1695 South Buffalo Drive, Willacy Unit in Raymondville, Willacy County, Texas. She has not appeared or filed an answer. Is that correct?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right. Court will also note that the non-custodial parent father, Ladell Nelson, is not present, and he was personally served. I'm sorry, I had it wrong. Shaquita was served at 9922 West Montgomery Road, apartment 151 in Houston, Harris County, Texas, uh, on March 16th, 2021. Court will note that Mr. Nelson was personally served on March 19th, 2021 at 3:10 p.m. at 1695 South Buffalo Drive, Willacy Unit, Raymondville, Willacy County, Texas. And he did not file an answer. Is that correct? Or made an appearance?
That is correct, Your Honor.
So we will have a default here. Let's proceed. Oh, further, they were notified by certified mail. Look at that smile on her face. The judge messing up again. Okay, they were also notified by certified mail. Miss Sharp notified of this Zoom hearing and or attempted notification. There was no delivery, no receipt, no pickup, and Mr. Nelson was also notified of this Zoom hearing by certified mail, and it was delivered on June 7th, 2021 at 8:31 a.m. We'll proceed by default.
Okay. Your Honor, at this time, I ask the court to take judicial notice of the DNA testing results.
Court will note that the DNA test report would indicate that the alleged father, Ladell Nelson, is not excluded as the biological father of the tested child, Ladell Nelson, who is the subject of this suit. Okay.
And I ask that those results be admitted into evidence.
All right. DNA test report is admitted.
Your Honor, I ask that the parent-child relationship be established between Mr. Ladell Nelson and Ladell Deshawn Nelson. And that the birth records of Ladell Nelson be changed to show that Ladell, the father, Nelson, is the father of the child on the birth certificate. Additionally, Your Honor, the state non-suits is request for a surname change, conservatorship, possession, access, child support, medical support, dental support, and all retroactive support.
Anything further?
I have nothing further, Your Honor.
All right, then the court will approve the order as submitted. Thank you.
Thank you. May I be excused?
Yes, ma'am.